Today, we're unboxing the Seiko SMGG17P1, a modern reissue of Seiko's iconic 1982 Rotocall. The unique rotating bezel immediately stands out, allowing you to switch between functions with a simple twist instead of pushers. Every watch we sell includes a full 3-year international warranty, so you're covered wherever you are. Powered by Seiko's A824 quartz movement, it features a chronograph, dual time, alarm, and a battery life of approximately 3 years. The stainless steel case measures 37 millimeters, making it compact, comfortable, and easy to wear every day. As a little bonus, the first 5 customers can enjoy 15% off using the code in the description below.